Hello, dear students. Welcome on my channel, Superb English Education. Like, share, and subscribe the channel for more updates and educational videos concerning B.Ed and CTET also. So now in this video, we are going to see some MCQs of B.Ed second year, course number 205, Commerce Method. See question number 1. Who suggested product pricing, place, promotion, all these in a company representing market mix? See the option A. Neil Borden, B. Nelson, C. Philip Kofter, D. Stephen Morse. So correct option is A. Neil Borden. Question number 2. Marketing of product and service in which the offer itself is not intended to make any monetary profit is called. See the options A. Profit marketing, B. Virtual marketing, C. Digital marketing, and D. Non-profit marketing. So correct option is D. Non-profit marketing. Question number 3. A reduction in price on purchase during a stated period of time is known as. See the options A. Sale, B. Discount, C. Allowance, and D. None of these. So correct option is B. Discount. Question number 4. Which among these is concerned with pricing policies for late entrants to a market? See the options A. Market penetration, B. Marketing research, C. Market skimming, and D. Marketing skills. So correct option is A. Market penetration. Question number 5. Sensitivity of demand to change in price is known as. See the options A. Cost plus price, B. Break even price, C. Price elasticity, and D. Inelastic. So correct option is C. Price elasticity. That is a sensitivity of demand to change in price. Question number 6. What is a sole proprietorship? Sole means only. So see the options A. Business owned by president, B. Business owned by several companies, C. Business owned by one person, D. Business owned by a company. So correct option is C. Business owned by one person. That is a sole proprietorship. Question number 7. A sole proprietor has a limit in which of the following ability? See the options A. Managerial, B. Owner, C. Worker, and D. None of these. So correct option is A. Managerial. A sole proprietor has a limit in managerial ability. Question number 8. Sole proprietorship is most suitable for. See the options A. Medium scale concerns, B. Large scale concerns, C. Small scale concerns, and D. None of the above. So correct option is C. Small scale concerns. Sole proprietorship is most suitable for the small scale concerns, so a man can be able to manage all these things in a small scale concern. Question number 9. Sole proprietorship business owner has. See the options A. Restricted liability, B. No liability, C. Unlimited liability, and D. Limited liability. So correct option is C. Unlimited liability. Question number 10. This retail business acts as a universal supplier of a wide variety of products. See the options A. Departmental store, B. Multiple shop, C. Mail order business, and D. Teleshopping. So correct option is A. Departmental store. Question number 11. Dash dash can check the price fluctuations in the market by holding back the goods when prices fall and releasing the goods when prices rise. See the options A. Wholesaler, B. Agent, C. Retailer, and D. Mercantile agent. So correct option is A. Wholesaler. Question number 12. A warehouse keeper accepts goods for the purpose of. See the options A. Selling, B. Packaging, C. Export, and D. Storage. So correct option is D. Storage. So warehouse keepers accept goods for the purpose of storage. Question number 13. It is a network of a number of branches situated at different localities in the city or in the different parts of the country. See the options: A. Multiple shop, B. Consumers cooperative store, C. Hire purchase system, and D. Internet marketing. So correct option is A. Multiple shop. Question number 14. Small scale fixed retailers includes. See the options: A. Hawkers, B. Peddlers, C. Cheap jacks, and D. General stores. So correct answer is D. General stores. Question number 15. Dash dash are agents who merely bring the buyer and the seller into contact. See the option: A. Selling agent, B. Commission agent, C. Stockist, and D. Broker. So correct option is D. Brokers. They are the agents who merely bring the buyer and seller into contact. Question number 16. Provision of residential accommodation to the members at reasonable rates is the objective of. See the options: A. Consumers cooperative, B. Credit cooperative, C. Housing cooperative, and D. Producers cooperative. Correct option is C. Housing cooperative. Question number 17. The structure in which there is separation of ownership and management as per law is called. See the options: A. Company, B. All business organization, C. Partnership, and D. Sole proprietorship. So correct option is A. Company. Question number 18. Cooperatives play an important role in. See the options: A. Aerospace, B. Agriculture, C. Manufacturing, and D. All of the above. So correct answer is cooperative plays an important role in B. Agriculture. Question number 19. Which of the following is probably the most important reason for incorporating? See the options: A. Limited liability of shareholders, B. More money for investment, C. Increased flexibility, and D. Shared management. So correct option is A. Limited liability of shareholders. Question number 20. Which of the following is an advantage of a sole proprietorship? See the options: A. Ease of starting a business, B. Being your own boss, C. Pride of ownership, and D. All of the above. So correct option is D. All of the above. So sole proprietorship, as he can start his business easily. He's his own boss, and he's had to be pride of ownership. So correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 21. The board of directors of a joint stock company is elected by A. General public, B. Government bodies, C. Shareholders, and D. Employees. So correct option is C. Shareholders. So shareholders have the right to elect board of directors of a joint stock company. Question number 22. The major advantage of a franchisee is. See the options: A. Training and management assistance, B. Personal ownership, C. Nationally recognized name, and D. All of the above. So correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 23. A partner who is not actually involved in the partnership but lends his name for public relations purposes is a. See the options: A. Silent partner, B. General partner, C. Nominal partner, and D. Dominant partner. So correct option is C. Nominal partner, who is not actually involved in the partnership but lends his name for public relation and purposes. Question number 24. The most effective form of business organization for raising capital is the. See the options: A. Joint venture, B. Partnership, C. Corporation, and D. Proprietorship. So correct option is C. Corporation. Question number 25. The simplest form of business ownership is a. See the options: A. Proprietorship, B. Partnership, C. Corporation, and D. Cooperative. So correct answer is A. Proprietorship is the simplest form of business ownership. So thank you all of you watching the video. Like, share and subscribe, and comment the video for more educational videos.